Welcome back to Spy Garage.
An instant connection between high-performance engineering, elegant design, and the realities of mobile living is evoked by the concept of a 2026 Porsche Motorhome. Although Porsche is primarily known for its luxury SUVs and sports cars, the idea of a motorhome bearing its name implies a bold attempt to push the limits of recreational vehicles. A car like that would naturally represent Porsche's dedication to quality in all of its endeavors. A 2026 Porsche Motorhome's exterior would probably embrace a more streamlined and aerodynamically mindful appearance, departing from traditional boxy forms. One may imagine streamlined lines, integrated lighting signatures evoking the Taycan or Cayenne, and possibly even subtle references to classic Porsche design components, all of which would be inspired by Porsche's current design language. In keeping with Porsche's technical philosophy, it would be crucial to employ lightweight yet durable materials, perhaps combining carbon fiber or cutting-edge aluminum alloys to maximize performance and fuel efficiency. Internally, luxury and technology integration would surely be given top priority in the 2026 Porsche Motorhome. Premium materials like expensive leathers, Alcantara, and painstakingly carved metal or wood embellishments would probably be found in the cabin. The arrangement would be thoughtfully planned to optimize usability and space without sacrificing visual attractiveness. With Porsche's cutting-edge infotainment system, digital instruments, and possibly augmented reality capabilities to improve navigation and vehicle information display, one could expect a driver-centric cockpit. The living space would continue this theme of elegant practicality. An elegant kitchenette would be furnished with top-of-the-line appliances that blend in perfectly with custom cabinets. Comfort and peace would be given first priority in the sleeping area, which might include creative space-saving ideas. Clean lines and premium finishes would likely be highlighted in the overall atmosphere, which would have a minimalist yet opulent aesthetic. With a full range of functions guaranteeing smooth integration with the digital world, connectivity would be crucial. Performance-wise, a Porsche-engineered model would probably provide a more dynamic driving experience than standard recreational vehicles. Even though a motorhome's main purpose is comfortable cruising, this might be accomplished with a powerful yet sophisticated drivetrain, perhaps a hybrid or all-electric setup that complements Porsche's electrification plan. Even considering the vehicle's size, a sophisticated suspension system combined with precision steering and brakes would guarantee confident handling and a calm ride. Unquestionably, a 2026 Porsche Motorhome would be positioned at the high end of the market, attracting to discriminating consumers looking for a special fusion of performance heritage and luxury vacation. Combining the functionality of a campervan with the engineering expertise and status of the Porsche brand, it would serve as a statement of lifestyle. The concept of a Porsche Motorhome is merely hypothetical at this point, but it offers an exciting prospect for the development of upscale leisure travel.